Can rhinoplasty help with snoring? For many, snoring disrupts sleep and can lead to daytime fatigue. It's often linked to anatomical issues like nasal blockages. Rhinoplasty, a surgical procedure that reshapes the nose, may improve airflow and reduce snoring symptoms for some individuals. During the procedure, surgeons may correct a deviated septum or remove excess tissue to open up the nasal passages. Many patients report an improvement in their breathing after surgery, which can lead to less disruptive snoring. However, it's important to explore non-surgical options first, like changing sleep positions or using special pillows. Understanding the potential benefits and risks of rhinoplasty, along with discussing specific goals with your surgeon, can help you make informed decisions about your health. If you're experiencing persistent snoring, consult a healthcare provider to evaluate your options. Learn more at healthnode.com.